That's what we're dealing with.
Go. So last night I was up until 3 in the morning, which is the audacity. Why would I do that? So I'm still dead, I'm not gonna lie. But this is gonna be good. It's gonna be good to do something instead of sleep all day. I have to work tomorrow, so I'd be dead tomorrow as well, and I can't stop looking at this. It's just too freaking pretty. So, according to Matt, we aren't going to catch anything. But we're going... What the fuck are you drinking? I can't post that. You're a psycho. I can't freaking stand them. Well, we're going anyways, and he is telling me that we can't fish with popcorn. I'm here to prove him wrong. Also, we'll probably have to get hot dogs because I doubt anywhere is gonna have bait right now. So I guess we'll wait and I'll let go. The bait shop was open because we did try the gas station and they did not have bait. But actually, kind of surprised that this is open.
Shouldn't be open till 6.
Well, we just made it in time.
A half hour.
Yeah. Still. The frick is that?
Spikes. Little maggots.
Ugh, I don't want to see that. Ew! What? No! No, they don't! God! God! We made it. Sorry. What? Did I bring it here? No?
I see. There's a brother.
I gotta put the snacks in. I got the bugs. Oh, that shovel? Those guys are toasty and warm in their little tent. And I'm over here freezing.
I think it's really cold out.
Huh?
I think it's really cold out.
You think?
I think it's less than 10 degrees.
Yeah, it's absolutely freezing right now. My hands are frozen. Here. It's already warmer in here. How is that even possible? Okay. Ouch. That's so red. So what does this thing do? Is it in there?
Yeah.
How are we gonna know if there's fish?
You'll see. You can literally, it's like watching TV.
How deep is this water? It's kind of creepy.
14 feet.
Oh, that's not bad. Still drowned.
Yeah.
Where's the fish?
See how it's blinking right there?
The red?
The red and the green. See how it's moving off the bottom? That's a fish coming up.
What's the bottom?
The solid red line. You see the two red ones?
That's the bottom?
Yeah. See that thing suspended? This is me. That's a fish looking at it. Green is small. Orange is slightly big, and red is biggest. Okay, see how it's green? It's a little lure. When you see a solid red line, so that fish is like just outside of it, looking at the lure.
It's getting closer.
It's coming up. You might bite it.
It's getting closer. Oh my god, it's so nice in here. Did you get anything?
No, we're down there. We just could figure out what they're biting on. They get finicky this time, right? You didn't think it was gonna be this warm, did you?
I kind of did, but like, I don't know. I knew it was gonna be warm because it's such a small area to have the heater on. But I guess I didn't realize like how quick it was gonna get warm.
Coming up.
Yes.
I think I might have gotten salt for the popcorn in my eye.
See? Told you. Oh. Damn it. Telling me that we can't fish with popcorn.
The water, that's why I lost it.
I can't believe I just missed that.
Those are crappie. One of the best tasting fish. That was probably legal too.
How is it illegal? You
Has
can't
to be-
choose what bites your frickin' line.
No, it has to be 7 or 9 inches to keep them.
Oh,
We gotta look that up.
not
Son of a
really.
bitch. So that's why they're so finicky. Those are those fish that literally just hold it in their mouth.
What did you have on it?
Little Gen's worm. They're literally just holding it like this and just swishing it around. And they only bite like that. Normal fish will bite it and swim away with it.
Can you put a goop bar on mine? Look at that spinning.
You need a different lure.
No, mine's fine.
It's not fine. It's too big.
You're too big.
The mouth on that fish was only that big around. They're really tiny. You can't even fit your finger in there. That's what we're dealing with.
He's so cute.
Yeah, it's a little crappie.
I just such a fish. It's so nice and warm in here. Here, just warm up.
Cook them. That's why it's being such a pain in the ass. See how small their mouth is?
Just good with your baby fishes. He's spinning. He's probably dizzy. Ow, asshole.
Yeah,
Here.
you got spikes all over.
Well, he tried biting me. Don't put him back in. He's going to tell his friends.
Let's see how tiny they're.
It's not that small. It's a good way to baby. He's so pretty. It's okay. It's gonna go back in the water. Wait, give him the popcorn. Oh shit. Oh.
It's your first time ice fishing?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah, it's fun.
It's more fun during the day.
Why?
It just is. You can like hang out and skate around and do stuff, and people run tip-ups.
Thank God. Hopefully next time I can catch something. Bring better snacks. Some pretty good snacks, but. So, first ice fishing trip of the year was a success. Well, not fish-wise, but did good. Caught 1.5 fish, I guess we can consider that. And I caught 0. That's okay. We'll get them next time.